Chapter 4. Vowel A sounds. Short sound. Look, read and understand. A rat. Rat. Hat. Mat. Man. Van. Fan. A rat in a van. Dad. Dad. Bad. Mad. Cap. Map. Lap. Dad with a cap. Jam. Jam. Dam. Ram. Bag. Tag. Flag. Jam with a tag. A ball. Ball. Hall. Mall. Lab. Cab. Tab. A ball in a cab. Cash. Cash. Bash. Flash. Jack. Rack. Black. Cash in the rack. Long sound. Look, read and understand. Plate. Face. Apron. Page. Alien. Rain. Ape. Grapes. Let's learn some word families with long sound of vowel A. A-I-L. Ale. Jail. Tail. Mail. Trail. A-K-E. Ache. Lake. Cake. Bake. Snake. A-T-E. Eight. Gate. Date. Hate. Plate. Let's read aloud. A plate. A plate of grapes. A jail. The gate of a jail.